Oh, I see him. The zebra butterfly. Very pretty. Or her. I don't know if it's a girl or a boy, but it's pretty. In this butterfly garden. And here's the boardwalk you were talking about as we venture off into the wilderness. Oh, and these are honeysuckles or no, they remind me of honeysuckles. And I hear the birds singing. The spider web. Just talking back to the bird. There are two paths you can go by, but in the long run, there's still time to change the path you're on. It's a hot day, but nice to take a walk through the nature preserve with a nice breeze as the wind rustles. Some cool cactuses just growing freely among the sea grapes. But signs of man abound here and there. Are we intruders into nature's world, or can we blend in and be a part of it without destroying nature's beauty? It's a difficult question. All we can do is try to be better stewards of the environment. And that was the coastal hardwood hammock at the Lantana Nature Preserve. beautiful scene nearby as we hear trucks and the traffic of civilization coming closer to the forefront as we exit this beautiful preserve. And as Frankie peacefully rests under the beautiful little gazebo pavilion. And that is the end of our video for today. And I hope you have a wonderful week ahead, all my friends. Ciao.